I've been a lot of places and created a lot of videos, but one thing I've never enjoyed seeing within marketing for businesses is the myth to consistently push content. I firmly believe in intentional content that serves a purpose, that helps you take back control, and supports your audience as best as possible. One video at a time, one step at a time. Let's begin. Is YouTube right for you? Let's find out. Welcome to Content Marketing on YouTube. On this channel, I share my practical, intentional content marketing strategy to help you grow your business here on YouTube. Hello, Ross Baxter here, bringing you the best tips and tools to build the right content for you. If you want to learn what it takes to build your business here on YouTube, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. I am Ross and I'm a YouTuber, podcaster, and content marketing consultant on YouTube. I specialize in creating the content you need to make your life easier by addressing your customers' worries, concerns, and desires through online video. I have been building content for almost 6 years with almost 10 years of experience, as well as a professional artist working with studios such as Disney and AAA Games. Worked as a presenter, interviewing entrepreneurs, actors to Netflix directors. I am a self-employed consultant with one purpose: to make content that takes weight off your shoulders. I value intentional, quality content. Not every business has the time to post non-stop. I will share with you how I build impactful videos with the right eyes consuming your products and services, highlighting the mistakes I have made along the way by being a producer, not just a consumer. On this channel, we will explore the principles, strategies, and tools so that we can build and support our customers and thrive as a business for years to come. By creating content that puts the audience first, with diligence, trust is built and loyalty is formed, helping you become an authority in your space. Throughout this channel, we will create content that addresses frequently asked questions, that specifically targets our market niche, but most importantly focuses on 20% of the topics that generates 80% of the results. This series will be broken down into chapters, displaying the full production pipeline of how to grow on YouTube. YouTube at its core is based on 2 pillars: click-through rate and audience retention. The structure of the video will always be hook, trailer, intro, call to action, content, call to action, content, no outro. However, there are other important variables rarely discussed in depth, such as consumer behavior, editing, and storytelling.